RPM is going to be right in here. I don't know where you want to be.
Okay, I'm filming right now. I want you to take it to max RPM. What RPM is that?
4,000, 3,958 is it.
Okay. You use the pendant for everything? To do all your stuff?
I use it quite a bit, yeah.
Okay. Now you're down low on RPM?
Yeah, 830.
So you're moving it in X, moving it in Y, moving it in Z. You're gonna do a tool change?
Back here.
Oh, so you reverse direction? Is that what you did?
No, I put it in back here for a low torque.
Okay.
Up to 650 RPM max.
Okay. Okay.